Seagrasses are unique plants that flower underwater and have colonized all but the polar seas. Seagrass live in shallow water, along semi-exposed coasts, and in sheltered lagoons and estuaries. Seagrass meadows are essential to the global ecosystem. They provide a nursery and food source for juvenile fish, a nursery and habitat for lobsters, shrimp, crabs, and bay scallops, a major food source for some of the largest marine herbivores like turtles, dugongs, and manatees, and protect coastlines by dissipating wave energy. Overall, seagrass meadows are more productive than fertilized cornfields. Unfortunately, seagrasses are incredibly sensitive to environmental change, and as a result, they are being lost at an alarming rate worldwide from human activities, with 29% of the known seagrasses lost since the later 1800s. Due to runoff from urban cities, farms, and roads, global losses since 1980 have equaled almost one football field every 30 minutes. The loss of seagrasses is alarming, leading scientists globally to focus intently on restoration. One area that has been in desperate need of restoration is Virginia's Eastern Shore, a global treasure designated by the United Nations as a Man and the Biosphere Reserve. The intertidal and shallow subtidal areas, undeveloped beaches, and marshes support a marvelous array of waterfowl and shorebirds. These habitats also serve as breeding, nursery, and foraging sites for finfish and shellfish, which are of tremendous economic value to commercial and recreational fishermen. Despite this pristine status, the seaside bays have been missing some valuable commodities for almost 100 years. In the 1930s, due to a wasting disease and concurrent hurricane, an entire population of seagrass, known as eelgrass, was wiped out. This resulted in the localized extinction of bay scallops, many other finfish species, and waterfowl. Beginning in the late 1990s, forerunners in the fight to restore and protect seagrass began to restore eelgrass beds by broadcasting seeds collected from Chesapeake Bay eelgrass beds into these barren, unvegetated bottoms. These scientists from the Virginia Institute of Marine Science have seen unparalleled success in the region and are partaking in what is probably the largest eelgrass restoration project in the world. To date, almost 70 million seeds have been broadcast into 500 acres in the Virginia coastal bays. And from these seeds, eelgrass has spread naturally to over 6,100 acres in a little less than 2 decades. Even with the return of this eelgrass, there are still many acres to populate and many species to restore. VIMS scientists have initiated a program to restore the bay scallops, and initial research suggests this effort is showing signs of success. This effort to save the seagrass and scallops is a unique adventure, unparalleled in recent history. Visit us online to learn more.